If you're trying to access an article or a database and you see a warning message in your browser, such as "Did not connect, potential security issue," this is due to old browser cookies and browsers with improved security features. This video will show you how to deal with browser warnings, such as continuing the session, opening a new window in private mode, and clearing your cookies. If you have the option, select Advanced and then accept the risk and continue. Another easy thing to try is to open a new browser window in incognito mode or a new private window, depending on your browser. In Chrome, it's a new incognito window. In Firefox, it's a new private window. In Safari, it's a new private window. In Microsoft Edge, it's a new in-private window. Another thing to try is to clear your cookies. Each browser has a different icon for this function, but the menu button always appears in the upper right corner of the browser. In Chrome, select the menu button, then More Tools, and then Clear Browsing Data. In Firefox, select the menu button, then Options, choose Privacy and Security, and then Clear Data under Cookies and Site Data. In Safari, select the Safari menu, then Preferences, Privacy, Manage Website Data, and then select Remove All, and then Done. In Microsoft Edge, select the menu button, then Settings, Privacy and Security. Select Choose What to Clear under Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and saved website data and cached data and files are selected. Then choose Clear. If these tips don't work, contact the library for more assistance.